A student and a feminist, Noor Iman, organized and moderated a powerful session in Shirkatgah, Lahore, highlighting the role of women in times of conflict and war. The theme was Women and India Pakistan Conflict, with speakers joining from both India and Pakistan representing diverse fields committed to peace. सेशन में पाकिस्तान से आए हुए स्पीकर्स ने बराह रास्त शिरकत की, जबकि भारत और पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ शहरों से ख़वातीन ऑनलाइन शामिल हुईं और शिरका के सवालात को भी गुफ्तगू का हिस्सा बनाया गया। इस मौका पर फेमिनिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, इंसानी हकूक़ के कारकुनों, तलबा और अक़लियती नुमाइंदों ने भी शिरकत की। द सेशन एक्सप्लोर्ड द पाक इंडिया कॉन्फ्लिक्ट फ्राम अ फेमिनिस्ट लेंस, जबकि मीडिया प्रोपेगेंडा और दोनों ममालिक के दरमियान बेहतर ताल्लुकात कायम करने पर भी जोर दिया गया। भारत से मारूफ शायरा और नॉवेलिस्ट रोचल पॉटकर ने कहा कि अमन की बात में रुकावट सिर्फ एतमाद की कमी है। उन्होंने वाज़ेह किया कि किसी भी जंग में सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान ख़वातीन और बच्चों को होता है।
Every time there is some unrest, we should talk about peace immediately. And it is so difficult because it means we talk about trust. When I think of peace, I think of it in two strains, its philosophies and its economics. Also in its antonyms of hatred, war, terrorism and its economies. Now I thought a lot about economies. Who benefits from war? Is the economic gain from hatred more than it is from peace?
पाकिस्तानी फेमिनिस्ट और स्कॉलर निगहत सईद खान ने कहा कि दोनों ममालिक के अंदरूनी तनाज़ात हालिया कशीदगी की बड़ी वजह हैं, जिनका फ़ायदा बैरूनी क़ुव्वतें उठाती हैं।
If we look at our own country, we don't have peace within. India doesn't either. And we don't have peace within the country. We have Balochistan, we have the terrorism attacks on us, we have the Pakhtunkhwa, we have the PTM in Pakhtunkhwa in Pata, and we have murmurings of conflict in Sindh, which was recently came up with a bit. Now that type of conflict that you have has to be resolved within the country, but it also is connected with other parts of it. Both the countries will take advantage of any weakness that you have at any level.
भारत से शरीक आर्टिस्ट और एक्टिविस्ट सोना मालिया गणेश का कहना था कि फ़न किसी भी तनाज़े को इंसानी पहलू देने और अमन को फ़रोग़ देने का मौसर ज़रिया है।
Therefore, for me, performance at large and any art practice is like retelling of a story, right? So you are in many ways, using storytelling to rehumanize these relationships that are fractured between two nations, that are fractured between two warring or conflicting zones.
सेशन में शरीक पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाली फेमिनिस्ट एक्टिविस्ट और सेल्फ डिफेंस ट्रेनर डॉक्टर हायका नासिर के मुताबिक पाक भारत तनाज़े में कश्मीर हमेशा कोलैटरल डैमेज बनता है और इससे पाकिस्तान में अस्करियत पसंदी को तक़वियत मिलती है।
This is a conflict between India, Hindus and Muslims, and not between two states that are fighting over Kashmir. And in all of that, what was happening was that Kashmir was just this collateral, right? The focus just turned to, there's two nuclear powers fighting, and nobody was talking about how the cross-border shelling, the attacks were causing more damage in both Indian-occupied Kashmir and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. So for Pakistan, what really worried us was the fact that this one attack by India was going to fuel the militarization for the next few years in Pakistan.
मारूफ समाजी कारकुन और आर्टिस्ट सलीमा हाशमी ने कहा कि अगर ये तय हो जाए कि तनाज़ात में फ़ायदा किसको होता है तो सारी तस्वीर वाज़ेह हो जाती है।
My question always after every conflict is not who loses, we know who loses, who gains from the conflict. And once you make that list of who gains from the conflict, I think you start getting a clearer picture of why it happens periodically, why it happens specifically when things begin to look better, when writers begin to talk together, when artists begin to meet.
पाकिस्तान में ख़वातीन के हुकूक़ के लिए सरगर्म आर्टिस्ट शीमा किरमानी का कहना था कि ख़वातीन कभी भी जंग की हामी नहीं रहीं और फ़न के ज़रिए अमन की बात आगे बढ़ाई जा सकती है।
Art is a way to communicate and to bring moments of peace, of moments of harmony and bonding. The most important thing is that it creates moments of bonding between people. And I think that if we can do more of that, it will be absolutely wonderful. So I really appreciate this talk that we've been having. From whatever I've been able to gather. And
Khawar Mumtaz, a feminist activist and a founding member of the National Platform for Women's Rights in Pakistan, reminded that India and Pakistan share deep historical and cultural ties और दोनों ममालिक के दरमियान असल ज़रूरत गुर्बत और मसाइल के ख़ात्मे पर तवज्जो देने की है, ना कि जंग की.
Culturally we are, historically we are all connected. So I think we have to explore new avenues, be creative about that. Art, literature, music. Most of them said that they wanted peace. Most of them said that they wanted peace to fight poverty, to fight all the ills that affect ordinary citizens. And their hope was also for a peaceful, productive future for all the young people.
तमाम शुरका ने इस बात पर जोर दिया कि पाक भारत अमन के लिए ऐसे मुकालमे और सेशंस बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. दिस इज़ इकरा मंसूर, voicepk.net.
आपकी खबर, आपकी आवाज़, voicepk.net.